What we also do is to always have a theme. Last year we talked about digitalization. This year we had some discussion what we should cover, which topics, and we said let's talk about maintenance, because that's usually an area that's not really addressed. We ignore it because it's just a small part of what we do. But when we look into it, like we started to do so today, we find there's a lot of things where we can improve and where we can benefit. That's exactly the idea of these kind of meetings, that we takes the time out of our normal circumstances and discuss something. Very happy that we have nice surrounding here, thanks to our hosts here. The French team has done a great job in providing this space.
For me, welcoming the global operations meeting of Beckers today and tomorrow is first of all a chance for us to make shining our people from Beckers France. It's also a great opportunity to learn from others, get feedbacks from experts from all over the world from Beckers company.
Actually, the impression is quite good, having seen a few different global operations meetings now. It seems like this time we're really starting to get into much more practical type of examples, where we're looking at very specific areas within our production that we can actually take back to the different sites and hopefully implement as well.
It's a good start, very interesting, a lot of energy, very interesting topics, from maintenance to new technology to finance.
I think this is a very interesting conference to me. Certain parts are quite different from the past, like the digitalization, the automation, the maintenance. We are moving much faster from the past meetings.
Being able to collaborate with the team and build that network of people that I can reach out to beyond just this meeting and feed off of their experience, their best practices, and share and collaborate on those levels.
Well, my head's buzzing with ideas and I've got loads of notes in my book. It's been really interesting. I think I'm certainly going to look at our maintenance strategy. There's quite a lot of thoughts in the presentations on this, and I'm also keen to look at some of the performance tracking.
Do you also feel ready? Yes! And team number 1, you can go for it.
Visit here in France, basically I basically managed to see the new peers and also old peers, and this helps us to connect to each other and learn what they are doing in their sites. This is something which we can't do it by email or Skype calls and anything.
Beckers is unique for me for its strong customer focus and also the ability to shape and adapt. I never saw a company so strong on that.
What I like about Beckers as well is the care for the environment, the care for sustainability.
Well, I've done 3 of these events now, and it seems like it's really more and more becoming a team that's starting to share information a lot more, and people are really taking back some very specific learnings. We asked them earlier what are they taking back, and it was quite inspiring to see what they're going to be doing now. Because we're geographically so spread out, it's actually quite useful to keep people together and really help them to see also what's happening on other sides so we can together get better.
Nice place, nice location. I think the best practice that we also shared here in the team was really nice, so it was a great event.
So this time we get the Environment Excellence Award. Thanks for top management's support. Also thanks for team's effort. Thanks for Beckers.
I didn't expect any reward from Carsten. I am really proud of the performance in Vietnam.
Uwe?
Yeah. So I'm very happy that Dormang won the award about the best performing company, because I never expected to get that. I'm glad that the efforts we try or put into this site to improve those KPIs were recognized today.
We have just finished the meeting, and I have to conclude that I'm actually quite happy with the outcome. We have seen a very good site. We had good discussions with the team and had a lot of fun also. And I'm quite sure that a lot of the colleagues have taken some valuable learnings back home to their own sites, which they can implement now, either from observing good practices here in Montbrison, or from the discussions we had where we learned and talked about new things.